Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit your Bitmoji on Chrome PC. Today, we'll show you the simple steps to customize your Bitmoji's appearance and make it truly your own. Let's dive in. To get started, tap the profile icon located at the top of your screen. This will take you to your profile screen, where you can access your Bitmoji settings. Next, tap on Bitmoji to enter the Bitmoji menu. Here, you'll find various options to personalize your Bitmoji. To edit the appearance of your Bitmoji, simply tap on Edit My Bitmoji. This will allow you to modify its features, including hairstyle, facial expressions, and more. If you're in the mood for a wardrobe change, tap on Change My Outfit. Browse through a wide range of clothing options to give your Bitmoji a fresh new look. Alternatively, if you want to update the way your Bitmoji appears on the Friends screen, tap on Change My Bitmoji Selfie. Customize the facial expression and pose of your Bitmoji to make it even more expressive. Once you're satisfied with your edits, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes and make them permanent. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit your Bitmoji on Chrome PC. Get creative and have fun personalizing your Bitmoji to match your unique style. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Happy Bitmoji editing!